straight from your room and into the swim up right here. It is the beautiful Royalton. Capture the view. Welcome back to another video. Just relax, enjoy, like, share, and subscribe. Look at me talking to a bird. Okay. So you come so close just to stand on one leg for me? Is that what it is? The view is absolutely breathtaking. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. As far as your eyes can see, I'm thinking great for weddings and all of that. So if you're looking for somewhere to spend some time to relax, look for Royalton, Negril, Jamaica. You may like it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.